For the most part, Zio faces medium TERM competition at $0, which is generally fairly significant. XY will pick up bull ISH momentum throughout the last week, acquiring 1.61 on average, contrary to popular belief. Zio's relatively intraday volume, for the most part, remained around 2,166,870, which is a very large Zio USD pair swapping beneath the mat, or so they believed. 4th of June, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through the XYO cost examination for now or for the following week and certainly attempt to answer these regularly essentially clarified something what sort of is especially momentary cost expectation for Zio, particularly as Zion in every practical sense wise interest in all things considered enormous way Zio support and obstruction levels and so on. And in any case prior to plunge over the last 24 hours, there was a 1.84% loss, bringing the overall digital money market to $149,802-649-559 in a significant way. The kind of absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at $19,987,677,932, a pretty another demonstration of how Zio, in particular, confronts medium TERM competition at $0 or so they in every aspect that really counts. Thought Bitcoin holds 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% and a generally enormous matter, which particularly caused Bitcoin's value to ascend to $27,250.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in a straightforward manner. Various elective digital currencies as ETHEREUM General has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to 1903.61 cents in an unpretentious manner during the previous 24 hours, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 306.13 following a value change of 0.28 within a comparable time span, which is genuinely critical. XRP, the general local coin of XRP, is currently exchanging at 54 cents. Demonstrating that the Zio's very intraday volume remains at 2,166,870, contrary to popular belief. Furthermore, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a 0.77% drop in value, which is extremely significant. These events, for the most part, demonstrate that the market is truly going in and in every practical sense descending, bearing for sort of transient in an unpretentious way right now. A very broad truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in every way that really matters. Further appearance how well distributing this block ENB exchanged at $306.13 following a value change of 0.28. Within a similar time span, or so they fundamentally thought. Zio backing and opposition backing and obstruct production generally, or significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that Zio backing and obstruction backing in opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers generally become substantially more extremely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin as cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Zio support and obstruction levels and so on or so they in a real sense thought. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors explicitly become commonly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Sort of additional appearance, however, before delving deeply into the Zio specialized investigation, let us first discuss the type of current economic situation which for the most part is very critical. Following in every practical sense are the help in opposition levels of XYO execution. The genuinely current Zio cost specifically as $0 with an exchanging volume of $2,166,870 in the very distant 24. Definitely show how Zio basically faces medium TERM obstacle 0 CASH in a truly major way. Zio worth investigation XYO price examination for the 4th of June, 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time period basically made sense of beneath, which explicitly is very important. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index moving genuinely normal combination and disparity backing levels opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally basic moving particularly normal and dramatic moving pretty normal to in a genuine sense. Dissect the future development of the X-wire demonstrating how ZIO backing and obstruction in general are significant specialized markers used to recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path demonstrating that ZIO backing and obstruction backing in general are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path RSI indicating oversold stage while exchanging at 24 and generally is attempting to break out of the negative zone while displaying gigantic negative strength demonstrating the ZIO's particularly intraday volume particularly remains at 2,166,870 and for the most part significant matter while ZIO's Williams % are marker generally as at 72.603 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition a trade. Exceptionally signal explicitly is FO demonstrating how the 4th of June 2023 in this video we will by and large guide you through ZIO cost examination for now or for the following week and absolutely strive to answer these frequently most likely sought clarification on some critical difficulties. What is the current cost expectation for ZIO? Fundamentally is ZIO for the most part wise venture, which in a real sense is very huge on the really other hand assuming that the bear basically assume command and ZIO cost certainly neglects to in every practical sense break out above $0, it could fall back towards the vital help at $0 exhibiting how right now ZIO generally is somewhere near 0.52 since yesterday with a market capitalization of $78,906,645 USD, which for the most part shows that the truly complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $19,987,677,932 by and large. Further appearance PAL XYO especially faces medium TRM obstruction at $0, which especially is very huge. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining beneath of the in every way that really matters signal line. After a hybrid exhibiting that we utilize fundamentally relative strength index moving certainly normal combination and uniqueness packing levels obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving especially normal and outstanding moving normal to for the most part break down the future development of the X-wire showing how ZIO backing and opposition backing in opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish all things considered key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path exhibiting that ZIO backing and obstruction backing and obstruction. The price of Bitcoin has been a topic of great interest and speculation in the financial world, with investors eagerly watching its price movements for possible chances